Nana Kuneduya Kumeni IV, the special representative of the Asante Hene. Nana Hemano, Nana Ekuoba Sempre Muchesijima, Asante Hene. Distinguished and special invited guests, Honorable Eula Alaku, Honorable Consul of Ghana, and Honorary Consul General of Albania. Distinguished and special invited guests, Nanano, Nimen, Namen, Tokyo, Mamao, leaders of various Ghanaian associations and leaders of the various African associations that have come here to support this group, fellow Ghanaians, ladies and gentlemen. The Embassy of Ghana to Finland is very proud indeed to be here this evening to be part of this very colorful celebration. Let me congratulate the Asante Manpo and its leaders, and indeed all Ghanaians and all of us gathered here today for this very impressive ceremony that we have all enjoyed. As always, Ghanaians in Finland have once again made Ghana proud. You have successfully tapped into the centenary celebration of Finland with this wonderful cultural festival depicting the swearing in of the Asante Hene to the Asante Hene, Nana Otumfuo Osei Tutu II. Your continued commitment to demonstrate your identity and exhibit our rich traditions and heritage in this foreign country is highly commendable and is worthy of emulation. I want to encourage you to keep it up. Nana Emano, ladies and gentlemen, I also warmly praise our Finnish friends and family who have learned our culture and shared our lives and opened their country to us, including the highly popular Ula Alaku, our distinguished honorary consul, whose love for Ghana is legendary. Ghana and Finland have had a long-standing bilateral cooperation spanning so many years, and it is my hope, and the hope of the government indeed, that through such events such as this one, we can further strengthen ties between our two countries. Nana Hemano, ladies and gentlemen, the interest of the government of Ghana in its citizens abroad, and specifically in their contribution not only to the economic growth of Ghana, but to the culture and traditional state in Ghana, has led to the establishment of the Ghana State Book Project in 2012. Now, this project is to undertake a comprehensive research into the history and chronology of royal families, towns, and villages in Ghana. The mandate of the project is to publish state books with authentic histories of all the 280 traditional states identified in Ghana. So far, it has published only 3. As part of the 60-year celebration of independence, the government of Ghana, through the book project, has therefore decided to organize various diaspora forums in our missions abroad. And the purpose of these forums is to hold discussions with the leadership of the various Ghanaian associations and the various Ghanaian churches to create an environment or a platform for Ghanaians living abroad to participate and contribute to the documentation of the history of all traditional states in Ghana. The purpose again is also to strengthen the lineage ties between families in Ghana and their relatives abroad. Again, the project is to ensure that all Ghanaians living abroad, you have adequate knowledge of your histories and our traditions, and also to solicit the support of Ghanaians in the diaspora for this project. All these things are being done in a bid to protect and preserve the rich Ghanaian heritage for our own children and also for posterity. In this regard, therefore, a forum for our region will be held in Germany this December 2017, which will require your participation and contribution through whatever means. It is our hope that with your very rich experience in the cultural heritage of your various groups, you will be willing and you will be able to participate when the time comes. Allow me, therefore, Madam, ladies and gentlemen, as I conclude, to take this opportunity to once again thank the leadership for inviting us and also to express our appreciation to all of you gathered here this evening, coming from far and near, and the support that you have contributed to make this wonderful program a success. I wish that Ghana will live long. I wish that Finland will live long. And I pray that you will all go home blessed in Jesus' name. Thank you very much and enjoy your dinner.